Hi everyone, here's my recipe for GALBI TANG, or Korean short rib soup. This soup is so comforting and so good, you're going to be slurping it from the bowl. So let's get cooking! First, you're going to soak 2 pounds of short ribs in cold water for about 30 minutes. Alright everyone, we're going to boil these ribs twice. First, bring your ribs to a boil and then discard that water. Then rinse your ribs. It'd be nice if you could use a new fresh pot, but if not, just clean your pot and add water again until your ribs are submerged. Then you want to add your vegetables. Then bring everything to a boil. You want to lower the heat to medium and cook for 1 hour. After your first hour, you want to take out all of your vegetables and discard them, except for your daikon radish. You can set those aside. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic to 1 tablespoon of soy with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and mix. After 45 minutes, you want to add your daikon radish back into your soup, as well as 1 cup of scallions cut on a bias. Add salt and pepper to taste. Last, you want to add your 100 grams of potato starch noodles and cook for your final 5 minutes. Alright everyone, our GALBI TANG is now ready. The beef is so tender and the daikon radish are so sweet. I like to garnish with some thinly sliced scallions. And I hope you enjoy. Here you go.